Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to see a beta function. Okay, let's start with the definition of a beta function. What is the definition of beta function? For m and n greater than 0, integral, integral or 0 to 1 x raised to m minus 1, 1 minus x raised to n minus 1 dx, where m comma n greater than 0 is called beta function and written as beta mn. I have written here. Okay, next we will discuss the properties of beta function. Beta mn is equal to beta nm. If you interchange the values of m and n, the value will not be changed. That is the meaning of the first property. And the second property, beta mn is equal to gamma m into gamma n upon gamma of m plus n. This is called a relation between beta function and gamma function. This is called relation. Okay, relation between beta function and gamma function. Next, uh, third property, third result, we can say 0 to pi by 2 sin theta raised to p and cos theta raised to q d theta is equal to half of beta p plus 1 upon 2 comma q plus 1 upon 2. Properties and results, we have to memorize these results. Okay, next, duplication formula, statement of a duplication formula, 2 raised to 2m minus 1 gamma of m plus half gamma m is equal to gamma 2m into root pi, gamma 2m into root pi. Okay, gamma 2m into root pi. This is the statement of duplication formula. Okay, next one more mcq statement is that is gamma 1 by 4 into gamma 3 by 4, its value is root 2 into pi, root 2 into pi. Actually it is application of by using duplication formula we will get this value by putting m is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, the value is root 2 pi. Remember this, important for mcq, root 2 into pi. Okay, hope you have understood. Let's go for now examples. Okay, let's move for the example. Consider the first type, which is the important one, that is 0 to 1 x raised to m 1 minus x raised to n raised to p dx. If our integral is of the form 0 to 1 x raised to m 1 minus x raised to some power and the whole bracket raised to some power p dx, then how to solve? M here, here n, and here p, and what will be the value? Okay, this is m, this is p, and this is m plus 1 and p plus 1. It's the result. We have to memorize this result. What is the type? X to the power 1 minus x to the power and the whole bracket cube. Okay, consider one example, x raised to 4 1 minus square cube dx. Okay, how to solve the example? First, Radam, let I is equal to the given example as it is 0 to 1 x raised to 4 1 minus x square bracket cube dx. Okay, we know that as the example, the function f of x, the integrand is of the form 0 to 1 x raised to m 1 minus x raised to n dx is equal to, what is the value of 1 upon n beta of m plus 1 upon n p plus 1. This is a result. Now comparing with this result, what we will get? The power of x 4, that is m is equal to 4, we are found here. Next, in bracket x, what is power of the bracket? X 2, therefore n is equal to 2 we are getting, and the whole bracket power is, the whole bracket power is 3, therefore p is equal to 3 we are getting. Okay, therefore I is equal to half beta of p of 4 plus 1 upon 2 comma 3 plus 1, that is I is equal to half, as it is beta pi by 2 4 plus 1 5 upon 2 4 Okay, this answer is sufficient. If you want to simplify more, we have to use the relation between beta function and gamma function. That is gamma m 5 by 2, gamma 4, gamma 5 by 2 plus 4. This is half 5 by 2, gamma 4 and 3 by 2. Okay, next. To more simplify, we know that gamma 4 is equal to 3 factorial and gamma 5 by 2 keep as it is, because in gamma 13 by 2 there is already 5 by 2. I have simplified this one. N minus 1, if you subtract 1 from 13 by 2, it becomes 11 by 2. Next 9 by 2, 7 by 2, 5 by 2. In this way, the 5 by 2, 5 by 2 get cancelled. After simplification, we will get the answer as these two, number 2 is present in the numerator. So 11 by 2, 9 by 2, 7 by 2, 5 by 2, that 2 is shifted to numerator. Okay, that is 4 times 2. 3 factorial means in 3 factorial this 2 get cancelled. That is 3 remains and the irrelevant and the remaining terms. If you simplify by using calculator, we will get the answer 16 upon 11, 65. Okay, next go for the second example. Okay, second example, x raised to 5 1 minus x cube the whole bracket raised to 10. Again the limits are 0 to 1, x power is there in bracket, x power is there and whole bracket power is there, therefore it is a type 1. Compare with the result, we will get the power of x, the power of x, the power of x is 5, that is m is equal to 5. Bracket power x is n, that is 3, and p is equal to 10. We have found. Okay, next put these values 1 upon n, beta 5 plus 1 by 3, 10 plus 1, that is 6 by 3 means 2, 11. We can simplify it by factorial and we'll get the answer. By multiplying these numbers, we'll get the answer. This much answer is also sufficient. Okay, next. Now we will move for the second type, that is x raised to m a minus x raised to n dx. Okay, which is equal to a raised to m plus n plus 1 beta m plus 1 comma n plus 1. Clearly the difference between the type 1 and type 2, x power, by observation we can observe that x power is 1 is here, and there in the place of a there is 1, and x power is here 1. That is the basic change. Power of x is 1 here, and in that example maybe power will be different, and the upper limit is always in the previous type 1, here a same is there. Okay, it is one of the easiest example. Again, consider x raised to 4 2 minus x raised to half, as the upper limit is 2 not 1, therefore it is of type 2. 2 to x, we use the result 0 to a x raised to m a minus x raised to n dx is equal to a raised to m plus n plus 1 beta of m plus 1 comma n plus 1. Okay, we get a is equal to, what is a, upper limit 2, what is m, power of the single x, and what is n, the whole bracket power half. Put all these values in this RHS, that is 2 raised to 4 plus half plus 1 beta 4 plus 1 half plus 1. This is answer. If you want to simplify more, we can use the relation of beta function gamma function, and you can simplify as the previous example we have solved. Okay, next. Second example, this one is the important one for this case. Now if you observe, consider the second example, 0 to 2a x into root of 2a minus x square dx. If you observe the example here, if you observe this function, in the function upper limit is 2a, here also 2a, but additional x is there, and x power, second x power is square. At that time we have to take this x common from the bracket, so that upper limit and this a both becomes same, and power of x becomes 1, and we can use the result. Are you getting my point? Here the power of upper limit is 2a, in bracket also 2a is there, but with that additional x is there, so that we want take that common from that whole bracket, so that this square get cancelled and the x will get common, and we will get 2a. Upper limit is 2a, now here is 2a, power of x is 1. So we can use combine these two powers of x, that is 1 plus half. 1 plus half, it is 3 by 2. Okay. Sorry for the disturbance. Next, x raised to 3 by 2 2a minus x raised to half dx. Comparing with the result, we get 2a is equal to 2a for the result, m is equal to x power 3 by 2, and n is equal to half. Okay, put all these values in our result, that a raised to, that is 2a raised to 3 by 2 plus half plus 1, therefore it becomes 3. By using calculator we will get the value, and beta of 5 by 2 3 by 2. We can simplify more by using relation between beta function or gamma function, or keep as it is. Okay, now we will move further. Again, the important type 3, x uh, integral over 0 a to b, x minus a raised to m, b minus x raised to n dx. What is the answer? b minus a raised to b minus a raised to m plus n plus 1, and beta of m plus n comma n plus n. Okay, next, consider example. Integral over 3 to 7, x minus 3 raised to 4, 7 minus x cube dx. Okay, next, let's write down as it is example. I 3 to 7, x minus 3 raised to 4, 7 minus x cube dx. Comparing with the result, obviously we get lower limit. This lower limit is nothing but a, therefore a is equal to 3. What is upper limit? B is equal to 7. Next, first bracket, x minus a power, that is x minus 3 power. What is power? 4. Okay, next, b minus x raised to n. Okay, now x raised to m, that is a is equal to 3, b is equal to 7, m is equal to 4, and n is equal to 3. Put all these values in the result. B minus a 7 minus 3, 4 plus 3 plus 1, and b 4 plus 1 3 plus 1. 4 raised to 8, beta of 5 comma 4. 5 comma 4 we can simplify as, obviously numbers are there, therefore we can simplify gamma 4, gamma 5, gamma 4, and gamma 5 plus 4, that is 9. For gamma 5 means 4 factorial n minus 1, for gamma 4 means 3 factorial, and 9 means 8 factorial. By using calculator we will get the value of this simplification. We can simplify more. Okay, understood this one? This is type 3 and important one. Consider one more example. uh, 0 integral over 4 to 5 root of x minus 4 y minus x dx. Let I is equal to 4 to 5 x minus 4 raised to half 5 minus x raised to half dx. Comparing with the result, we will get lower limit a 4, upper limit 5, b is equal to 5. Next, m is equal to half, n is equal to half. Power of the both bracket, as root is there, that means half half. We can separate and we will get the values of m and n. Okay, next, 1 raised to half, b 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Okay, we can use the relation again. Gamma m, gamma m, gamma m into gamma n upon gamma of m plus n. Okay, next, uh, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. This is root pi, and 3 factorial means 3, gamma 3 means 2 factorial, pi by 8. Okay, this is okay. Next we will go for type 4, 0 to 1, 1 minus x raised to n p dx. Actually it is a particular case of type 1. In type 1, if you observe, x raised to m is there. In type 1, x raised to m is there, and in this type just x raised to m is absent, means m is equal to 0 is there. It is actually particular case of type 1 with m is equal to 0. Are you getting my point? This is not a separate type, actually it is a type of 1 only with m is equal to 0. If you consider m is equal to 0, we will get type 1 is converted into type 4. Okay, and the result is same. Just put m is equal to 0, 1 by n, beta of 1 by n, p plus 1. M plus 1 is there in the result, and m is 0 as the m is 0 as the m is 0. We will use the same result like 1. This is the same case of type 1. Okay, next, comparing with the result, we get I is equal to 0 to 1, 1 minus x raised to half raised to 1 by 4 dx. Okay, we know that result form. Just we can use the type 1 result also with m is equal to 0. Same, 1 by 2 beta 1 upon 1 by 2 or 1 by 4 plus 1. Just make simplification. This 2 is already in the 1 upon 2 in the numerator denominator, so that is shifted to 2 times beta of 2 comma 5 by 4. Okay, this no need to simplify because 5 by 4 fraction is there. If at the denominator 2 is there, then only we have to simplify. Understood? Type 4 is a particular case of type 1 with m is equal to 0. Otherwise, you can consider separate type and you can use the result. What is n? Power of x. What is p? Power of the whole bracket. Okay, thank you.